Today, Marines will be learning about special right triangles and how they can be used on the battlefield. We'll be going through trenches, through woods, scoping out our targets with the most fast and efficient way to get to the objective without putting ourselves in harm. We will be going through live explosions, so if you do mess up, you will be killed. You guys ready?
Yes, sir! Theorem 72 states that in a triangle whose angles have the measure 30, 60, and 90, the lengths of the sides opposite these angles can be represented by x, x root 3, and 2x, respectively. This is also known as the 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem.
In a triangle whose angles have the measures 45, 45, and 90, the lengths of the sides opposite these angles can be represented x, x, and x root 2, respectively. Outstanding, Marines. Outstanding.
Alright, find the hypotenuse, Marines. For this problem, we can know that since this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, 60 is equivalent to x root 3. Now we must divide each side by root 3. X equals 60 over root 3. Now we must rationalize this. So we must multiply by root 3 over root 3. Now x equals 60 root 3 over 3. X equals 20 root 3. And since the hypotenuse is equal to 2x, the hypotenuse equals 40 root 3.
In this example, we're asked to find the area of a square when all we know is that the diagonal is 150. Because we know that these are both 45, 45, 90 triangles, we can find the side of the square by knowing that the hypotenuse 150 equals s root 2. To find s, we need to divide each side by root 2 and then rationalize the denominator on this side by multiplying by root 2 over root 2. From that, we get s equals 150 root 2 over 2. So s equals 75 root 2. And since the area of a square equals s squared, the area of the square equals 75 root 2 quantity squared. So we get 11,250.
Do something! There's a signal flare! Enemy fire incoming! Get to the chopper!
Still fighters. Oh, I'm so glad you're back. How far did you have to travel to get here?
Give me the UAV scannings.
Hey, UAV scanning!
Okay. Well, since we traveled from the house to the west trench, it was 90 meters. We could have traveled along the front yard, which would have been 180 meters. But we couldn't get there because it was covered by enemy fire. So we had to travel 90 meters and 90 meters root 3 to get here. So that's a total of 90 meters plus 90 root 3 meters.
What's our plan of attack here, Marines?
Well, since we just came from the cemetery to the L trench of 100 meters, we're going to go another 100 meters through the ridge to the enemy lines. We could have gone 100 root 2 meters, but it's too open and there's a minefield in the middle. Let's go out, Marines.